Welcome to the Homesite Reporter training video. This video will serve as a guide for running the most useful reports for you as a manager. Let's get started. First, you will visit the Homesite Online University page and log in using your user ID and password. Here, we will use the Homesite Reporter login for demo purposes. Once you log in, you may need to switch your role from student to reporter. You do so here on the top right of the screen. Once you have switched your role, you will see the list of students to which you are assigned. Let's run a transcript report. On the left, you will see the Reports tab. Click the tab to view the drop-down of available reports. Then select Transcripts. Now, you will see the options for running a transcript report. You can either choose to run reports just for this year or for all years. This option won't matter as much since the Homesite Online University just launched in 2015. This next step is important. You will want to make sure that you check the Include Inactive Courses checkbox. This will ensure that you are able to see the completion status of the instructor-led courses that your students may have attended. The next two options do not apply, so you can leave them unchecked. If you want to run the report for all users to which you are assigned, simply click Run Report. If you'd like to select a specific student or group of students, click the Select button. A list of students to which you are assigned will then appear. You can choose a group of students by holding the Control button and selecting the students' names, or you can select just one student. When you are finished choosing the students you'd like to run the report for, click Select and then click Return Selected Items. For demo purposes, I just want to select Jamie's name, so I'm just going to type it in here. Once you've selected your students, click Run Report. You will now see the transcript report for your selected users. Here we see Jamie's transcript. Doesn't look like she's taken many courses. Let's focus in on the course at the top, Homesite Foundations Training Akron 315. Notice that the course ID for this one includes the letters ILT. This means that this is an instructor-led course, foundation trainings that occurred in Akron in March. This 100% completion status means Jamie attended and completed the foundations training. Now let's run a quick status report. This report is useful, but most of the time, you'll be running transcript reports. Status reports simply show you the status of your assigned students for the courses in which they are enrolled. First, click the Reports tab on the left and then click Status. Uncheck the Summary Statistics checkbox. This will give you a more detailed report. The rest of the checkboxes can remain in their default settings. If you want to check the status of all students that are assigned to you and all courses in which they are enrolled, simply click Run Report. You also have the ability to choose specific curricula, courses, or users. This is done similarly to how you were shown for the transcript reports. For demo purposes, we will just run a report for Jamie again. Be sure you are only running this report for one category, either student, curriculum, or course. Running the report with multiple options selected will produce inaccurate results. Now let's click Run Report. This report shows similar information to the transcript report, but in a slightly less attractive format. This is why we suggest simply running a transcript report. You should now have a good idea of how to run the most useful reports for your team. Thanks for watching, good luck, and enjoy running your reports.